Welcome to this month's edition of new releases from the Lippert Technical Institute. Whether you're joining us for the first time or you're one of our returning viewers, we're excited to have you with us. In this video, we'll be sharing the latest updates from our virtual productions team, technical publications, and technical training teams, featuring new tools, helpful resources, and expert guidance to help you be informed, prepared, and empowered for whatever comes next. The virtual productions team has kept content flowing this June, updating our library with new materials and content. Looking to step up your RV experience? We've got just the upgrade. In our SolidStep 4.0 installation video, Mark walks you through the full installation process of Lippert's newest step assembly, featuring an integrated lift assist and redesigned extension leg latch for added ease and stability. We also continued building out our refrigerator repair library with a new set of videos for the FCR20DC AFA model. From replacing the power control board to swapping out the display panel and other essential components, these walkthroughs are designed to help you tackle repairs with confidence. As you gear up for camping season, don't let fridge troubles slow you down. If your FCR20DC AFA is powered on but not cooling, be sure to check out our latest troubleshooting video. It'll guide you through diagnosing the issue and getting your fridge back in working order, so you can stay on track for your next adventure. All these videos and many more are available now on the Lippert YouTube channel. Now let's see what new reads the technical publications team has been stocking the shelves with this month.
Thanks, Emily. The technical publications team has been busy expanding our support library with the latest technical materials, from installations to product assemblies and everything in between. This month, we released several new documents and updates that cover a wide range of systems on land and at sea. One standout addition is the Solera 3000 series 12-volt power awning, troubleshooting and service manual. Whether you're working through basic troubleshooting or replacing the awning fabric, this guide provides you everything you need to keep your campsite cool and comfortable. With step-by-step instructions and detailed illustrations, staying in the shade has never been easier. We also added the CURT Helux Pin box owner's manual to our collection to help pull things forward. Designed specifically for fifth wheel towing, this manual walks you through everything from hitching to diagnostics. You'll find all the key information you need clearly laid out and no guesswork required. And for those who enjoy their adventures on the water, we've got you covered too. Our new SureShade 2000 series forward-facing power bimini components page provides detailed diagrams and part numbers to help you identify, maintain, or replace components, ensuring smooth sailing and reliable shade during your time on the water. At Lippert, our technical publications team works hard to create reliable, easy-to-follow documentation that helps you live, work, and play with confidence. You can find all these resources and many more on the Lippert support site. Now let's take a peek into the classroom and see what the technical training team has in store for you this month.
Thanks, Mark. If you are looking to learn more about Lippert products in an in-person setting, listen up. We've got training opportunities for both RV owners and technicians that you definitely don't want to miss out on. This summer, we are hosting 2 more RV owner schools at our world-class facility in Mishawaka, Indiana. These are 3-day schools that focus on providing an immersive learning environment to participants with a choose-your-own-adventure schedule layout. This is a great opportunity to learn more about the Lippert products on your rig while also making connections with other RV owners. We've got one school at the end of this month and another in August, so be sure to secure your spot soon. We are also hosting several training events for RV technicians, all coming up in the next few months. We will be hosting 2-day training seminars in Knoxville, Tennessee on August 5th through the 6th, Denver, Colorado on August 26th through 27th, and Minneapolis, Minnesota on October 13th through 14th. These are lecture-based events that focus on the installation, operation, troubleshooting, and maintenance of popular Lippert products. Please keep in mind that these events are only open to dealers, mobile technicians, and OEMs, and to please reach out to our team if you have any other questions. Our team is also hosting 3 one-day seminars geared toward utility trailer technicians. These crash course style events cover Lippert's utility axles, including diagnostic procedures and repairs, and hydraulic landing gear. These will be hosted on August 7th in Knoxville, Tennessee, Denver, Colorado on August 28th, and Minneapolis, Minnesota on October 16th. If you're in the marine world, join us for our first marine training seminar. This will also be hosted in Minneapolis, Minnesota on October 16th, and will focus on SureShade biminis, Lumar shallow water anchors, and Lumar Venta pontoon winches. We will have several more events opening soon, including hands-on training opportunities, so be sure to keep your eyes out. These are just a few highlights from this last month and for what is coming up here at the Technical Institute. From our engaging YouTube channels to the comprehensive online learning platform of our Technical Institute and our ever-helpful support site, we've got you covered. Each resource is thoughtfully designed to inspire, educate, and empower. Whether you're just starting your RV journey or you're a seasoned technician, there's something valuable for everyone. Don't forget to join us next time as we explore our latest releases. We look forward to seeing you there.